In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Notion workspace aesthetics with a setting. Welcome back, and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how a few simple built-in settings and layout tweaks can completely change how your Notion workspace looks and feels. These adjustments are easy to apply, require no external tools, and can make your dashboards feel cleaner, more intentional, and more enjoyable to use every day. To begin, open Notion and navigate to the page you want to improve. This could be your main dashboard, a project hub, or any workspace you use on a regular basis. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This menu controls the visual layout and appearance of your page, and it's where some of the most powerful aesthetic settings are hidden. Inside this menu, the first setting to enable is small text. Turning on small text immediately reduces visual clutter and tightens up the spacing across your page. This is especially helpful if your dashboard contains many links, sections, or navigation items. With small text enabled, everything feels more minimal, more modern, and easier to scan at a glance. Next, stay in the same menu and turn on full width. This setting allows your content to stretch across the entire screen instead of being confined to a narrow column. Full width works particularly well for dashboards, navigation layouts, and pages that use columns or databases. Once both small text and full width are enabled, you should already notice a significant improvement in how balanced and open your workspace feels. Now it's time to clean up the navigation visually. Hover over the block to the left of your dashboard section and click the six-dot handle. From there, change that block into a quote. Repeat this process for other navigation sections, such as projects or archived items. Using quote blocks creates subtle visual separation without heavy lines or dividers, making the layout feel intentional and refined. After that, click into an empty line and type /allout, then select callout from the menu. Callout blocks are perfect for grouping navigation elements in a clean container. You can change the icon to something simple and adjust the background color so it stays subtle and unobtrusive. Drag your navigation items into this callout block to keep everything neatly organized in one place. Once everything is grouped, drag the entire callout block to the top of the page. This ensures that navigation is the first thing you see when opening your workspace, making it faster to use and more polished overall. With just these small adjustments, you've dramatically improved your Notion workspace aesthetics using built-in settings only. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.